Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do December monthly reading for fire sign Aries. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Aries, your recent past. Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Temperance. Your person could be Sagittarius, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay. So I think for some there is no contact or less contact between both of you. For some there is separation also. One person is patiently waiting for the right moment. In past, I think one person invest in this connection waiting for the right time. Yeah, it could be you or your person. Definitely they invest in this connection and they are waiting for the result. But one person is stand by their power, they cut the other person off. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Aries. Yeah, I think there is no balance in this connection in past, but our one person is very balanced in this connection. I think these two cards says that one person balanced, very balanced in this connection. It could be you. I am getting Aries. I think your person maybe, I think you invested in this connection, then you cut your person off, then you are very balanced right now for some. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Queen of Wands, sorry, Empress, lot of ladies here. I think for some it could be third party also. Juggling, I think your person may be juggling between things. I think you stand by your power. I think your person, in your person's life there is some other lady involved. There are some issues. I think it could be not girlfriend or a wife, it could be their mother or sister also. So third party always mean that there is extramarital affair, not like that. That could be mother or whatever, friends in some cases. That could be also third party. So definitely I think another woman is there in this connection. I am getting they are influencing your person more. That's why your person may be juggling, or you may be juggling between things, what to do, what not to do. But lot of you, maybe your person influenced by other people, like their friends, their mother or their sister. So let's see some more. But you stand by your power. That's why you cut them off, because your person is juggling. Even though you invested in this connection, Aries. Yeah, separation, Five of Cups, Knight of Cups, Eight of Wands. I think you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely I think your person feeling sad for the separation. They're coming back to you. Knight of Cups with strong emotion. They have strong emotions for you and they're coming back. Aries. Communication, definitely you both will communicate. You will receive some communication, and you are in your life also there is some positive changes are coming. Those changes are in very quick mode, because Eight of Wands is very fast energy, fast moving energy. Definitely they are feeling very sad. I am getting it's your person, or for some it could be you are feeling sad but your person is coming back. Okay, they have strong emotion. And one more thing, Knight of Cups is very slow moving energy. Okay, it will take time. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. First we see your person current feelings. Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Ten of Swords. Definitely for some it could be third party also. Definitely your person want to come towards you. They want rebirth in this connection, but they are very in slow energy, because Knight of Pentacles with Ten of Swords, right now there is painful ending between both of you. There are some issues, but still your person want rebirth in this connection. definitely some new cycles are going to be begin between both of you, but it will take some time. Three of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you and they want this celebration with you. Three of Cups, but it will take time because they are in slow moving energy right now. They are thinking their feelings towards you like this. So let's see their near future actions towards you, Aries. Your person near future actions towards you. Eight of Cups. Knight of Swords. Princess of Cups. I want clarification card for Eight of Cups. Death. I think in past your person maybe walked away from you, or you may be walked away from your person. Definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, death, some positive changes are coming in your person's life. Yeah, Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you, and Princess of Cups, they realize you both after the separation, or if you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. They want to put some name to this connection. They want to marry you. Knight of Swords, but they are rushing towards you. But one thing I am getting here, no, only knights. So what is the problem with knights? They are in and out of your life maybe. That's why you stand by your power, you cut them you off, but they are coming back. If they are in same energy, please think twice before giving another chance, because in and out of your life, that energy will drain your energy also. Okay, so be careful before taking any decision. But they are rushing towards you. They have emotions. Yeah, they want to express their emotions. This time I think they will get clarity, because in past Two of Pentacles they are juggling, but now they will get clarity. They want to give clarity to you. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Mutual energies. Hierophant, Judgment. Wow. Seven of Wands. Seven of Cups. Yeah, I think you both could be fantasizing about each other, or your person may be seeing other options. That way you cut them off. But their judgment, I think one person will get justice in this connection. It could be you, Aries, because you invest a lot in this connection. Hierophant, definitely some commitment is coming. I think your person realize they will end their confusion and they want second chance. Judgment and Seven of Wands, they don't want to give up in this connection. I think for some you are acting like defensive. You are very defensive now, because you stand by your power. You have to protect your feelings and emotions. Judgment with Hierophant, definitely some commitment they want to offer. These are mutual energies. I think there is no balance in this connection right now. One person is committed, one person is not committed, but in near future you both will be on the same page for some. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Aries. The Moon, Seven of Swords, Hermit, and Knight of Swords. For some it could be you hiding some secrets from your person, definitely, because Seven of Swords, you may be lied to your person, and definitely you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Your person could be Virgo. And the Moon, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. You may be hide something from your person, or your person may be hide something from you. I think it would be you also, Aries, for some. So the Moon, your person could be Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Virgo. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, wow, Tower, and Fool. Yeah, they are right now experiencing some Tower movement, and then in near future they will experience this due to separation or no contact between both of you. But they want this new beginnings with you, Aries. There is no doubt about it, and they want new beginnings. And Ten of Pentacles with Ten of Cups, yeah, they are ready to offer long-term commitment and this true happiness to you. Yeah, this time they are very, very serious, because Ten of Cups with Ten of Pentacles, they want to offer stability, and they want to offer financial stability and emotional stability too. Okay, definitely they want this They want this with you, new beginnings, and they are in this energy going with the flow. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.